Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2009 Pontiac Montana and I will show you how to remove and replace the driver's seat belt buckle. This video will apply to Pontiac Montanas, Chevy Uplanders and Buick Terazzas. Okay, so first, to remove the seat, you want to move the seat all the way to the back. That will give you much more space to work around this area. And now you will have two 15mm nuts to remove. One is here and the other one on the other side. Now you can use either the key to remove them or the ratchet, whichever is easier for you. It's 15mm. Okay, so these are the nuts. Once that is done, you want to move the seat all the way to the front, because you will also have two nuts to remove on the back side of the seat. It's also a good idea to move this part as well. That will give you a lot of space to work around here. On the back side of the seat you will have also two nuts to remove, but they are 18mm, also one here and one here, so you can remove those two. Okay, so these are the nuts, and once you have removed them, there is nothing else holding this seat in place. Okay, now to completely remove the seat from the van, what you want to do, you want to tilt the seat to the side or something, so you can get the access to the underneath of the seat, because you will still have one connection to disconnect just up here. Actually, you will have two connections to disconnect. You'll have this black connector and this yellow connector. This one will be for the power to the power seat and things like that, and this one will be your SRS and the airbag. So make sure to disconnect the battery before you unplug anything, because if you don't do that, what might happen once you install the new seat and connect back everything, your airbag light might come on, and if you don't have a scanner that can scan the airbag and reset it, you'll have to go to a mechanical shop or to a dealer to have the code reset for you. So don't forget, disconnect the battery before unplugging any of this. Okay, now to unplug this airbag will have this blue like safety pin here, which you wanna pull out actually. And once you pull it out, you can just disconnect it. Like I'm trying to work with one hand, but it's pretty obvious. You just want to pull it out. Okay, just like that. And this black one, you'll have like a small pin to push just down here, so push it all the way in and then just wiggle this connector off. And that should be it. And that way this seat is now completely loose and ready to be removed from the van. Okay, now once you have the seat out of the van, now it's much easier to actually work. It's probably doable without removing the seat, but since I have this tray here connected to the seat, I removed the seat because I have to take the seat to fix this cigarette burns as well. But now I will show you how to remove and replace the seatbelt buckle. Next thing to do would be to flip the seat to the side, and now you'll have to remove two 8mm screws right here, one here and one here, to actually remove this tray from the way. Okay, once you have removed these screws, you'll be able to completely remove this tray off the way and have a better access to the seat belt buckle. Okay, next thing to do, you would have to remove this plastic cover that's on top of the seat belt buckle. It's held by a couple of 6mm screws, so I will show you now. One will be right here, one on the other side here, and you will have two inside these holes. So one 6mm screw here and one here. Now to access those, you will need a long extension or something like that. This is what I will be using just to get inside and remove those screws easily without any problems. And same thing here. Once the screws are out, this can be removed as well. And now we have gained access to the main nut, which is holding the seatbelt buckle in place actually. Okay, once this nut is removed, the seatbelt buckle will be completely loose. There's just one thing left to do, and that is to disconnect this cable, which is going right here. Okay, let me. So this is the connection which has to be disconnected, and once this is disconnected, just remove the cable, pull it through here. I have to pull it out here to be able to remove the buckle. Okay, to unplug this connection, you'll have this black clip. You see, you just want to push it here and pull it out. Very easy to do. And that's pretty much it. And now you just have to wiggle this wire out through here, and that's it. Okay, now one more thing. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to pull this cable out because it's too tight right here. It doesn't pass, this connector cannot pass here, as you can see. So what I will do, I will have to remove this screw right here on the top, and by removing it, I'll be able to probably get enough space here to move this cable out. Yes, sorry, I'm doing this for the first time as well, and I record as I work, so yeah, this is something I'll have to do right now. Okay, and what I did, I will show you. So I have this now completely removed. Once I remove this screw, I use a flat screwdriver just to pry it a bit, you see, so I can pull out that cable. Okay, and this is how you remove the driver's seat belt buckle on a 2009 Pontiac Montana, Uplander or Buick Terazza. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.